I hope you are all doing good. Till now we have installed Python in our machine. I hope you all have done so. Today what we'll do, we'll be installing one integrated development environment, uh, PyCharm as an IDE for Python. So without wasting any time, let's do it. We will be downloading PyCharm. In Google, go and type PyCharm download. So this will give you this link from jetbrains.com. Now click this link. It will redirect you to the download page. So we have two options here. One is a professional version of the software, and we have some free trials here, but we don't want to download the professional one. We'll do the community one, which is purely for the Python development purpose, which we'll be doing exactly. Click this download button, which will download the PyCharm exe file. I'm going to cancel it because I already have downloaded that. So as I described last time, I'm keeping all my softwares, means all my Python project related softwares in this software folder under C Python. So here is my software PyCharm Community. So what I'll do now, I'll double click on it to install the software in my machine. So it needs, or it's asking for an approval, so it can install the software in your machine. So I'll go ahead and say yes. Now I'll do next, and this is the location where the software is going to get installed. It's going to install in C program files, JetBrains PyCharm Community Edition 2021.2. Without changing anything, I'll go ahead and say next. Create desktop shortcut, I'll do. I'll do this one, create associations with .py, and I will add bin folder to the path. So if you don't do that, probably later on you have to set it in a class path, but if you just click it now, it will automatically do it for you. It will set the path in the environment variable. Now I'll do next. Nothing to change here. Start menu will come like JetBrains. So nothing to change here. Say install. Now this installation process will take some time, and I'll skip it for this video, and I'll be back when it is ready to, or it's almost installed. Also during this installation, if I face any issue, I'll let you know what are those issues and how to resolve them. So we are almost done. So installation is complete. What it says that, do we want to reboot now or we want to reboot manually later? I want to reboot manually later, so I'll choose this option. You can restart your machine by selecting this option, but I'll choose to restart or reboot my machine later. Finish. So we are done here. I'll close this one too. and we have PyCharm in our desktop as a shortcut. We can also type PyCharm here and we can see that PyCharm Community Edition 2021.2 has been installed in our machine. Okay. So config or installation directory. Okay, it's asking for config and installation directory. Do not import settings. I'll say do not import settings. Okay. I'll see we have anything project. These are the configuration steps. I'll do a new project. So at this point, PyCharm is asking us that if we want to open an existing project or we want to do a new project. So what we'll do a new project. So here I had this old files from my previous installation which I don't need at this point. I'll delete it and I'll create a project in this location. So this C Python is my parent location where I have different subfolders for this project, and then I want to, so this is where we have Python environment, this is where we have Python installation, this is where we have the softwares, and this is where we want to have our projects. So I will copy this path and go here, and it's asking for a location. So PyCharm projects, I'll say I'll do like this. C Python projects, PyCharm projects. So all the PyCharm projects will be under this folder, PyCharm project, Python project 1, Python project. So C Python projects, PyCharm projects, and Python project, or we can say fast Python, or let's leave it like this, Python project. And this is where the environments, variables or environment settings will be created under this Python project venv. And this is taking the Python installation. So it has detected, see, this is very important. To run Python programs, it has already auto detected where we have the python.exe file. So we have installation, means we have Python installation under Python underscore installation folder. So it has taken the exe from there. So everything looks great here. And what we'll do, okay, another thing, it is creating a welcome script, welcome Python script with the name of main.py. If we don't create, select it, it won't create it. But for this course, we'll be creating it and see how it looks. But later on, we'll be creating our own scripts, own Python scripts under this Python. So these are the tips the software is giving us. You should go and check each of these tips because they will be very useful while you will be writing the code. So there are very good, wonderful tips are here. Now I'll be closing it now. So this is the welcome script Python has written for us, which we don't need. at this point. We'll be writing our own script here. So I'll be closing this one, and under this Python project, I'll write my new code. So we can create a new file and give it as an extension.py, which will create a Python file, or we can directly choose this option, Python file, and create a Python script. So I'll give it as a name, hello world, and enter. So you see it has created a file called hello world. Now I'll be testing if Python is working here. So to do that, first print is a function in Python where we need to pass one string argument. So Python can print whatever string argument we are passing. So I'll say welcome little coders. You can give a semicolon or you can skip it. Python will print this one. So let's try to run this hello world. Run hello world. So what I did, I right clicked it and I can click run hello world, and you see it has printed welcome little coders. This semicolon is optional in Python. In Java, because I am from Java background, in Java we have to give a semicolon at the end of each line of code. Here, even if I remove it and save it, I can still print welcome little coders. So with this new IDE or integrated development environment is fully functional for us. In future, we'll be writing Python codes in this IDE along with the IDLE, which is another integrated development environment coming with Python itself. So we'll be using both alternatively IDLE and this PyCharm in future. Till then, goodbye, stay safe.